Okay, so now we're at the point where we are placing the buttons because we've finished covering them. So now to place the buttons, I simply see where my buttonholes are going to be, and then I just put the other center front on top, and I just make a mark where the pin is, and that way that's where I know my button is going to be sewn on, right in the middle, right there. So I'll just keep going down the line. Let's see, the next one is right here. So this is where I'll put my next one, and so on and so forth, just like that. It's easy as that to place those buttons. That's where I want my buttons to be. Alrighty, so I'm going to keep on doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 more to go. I'm going to mark those, and then I'll be sewing on my buttons. Alright, I'll see you on the other side.